You know what? Let's clean up my basement. I basically have not really touched my basement since I moved in. So there is a lot of leftovers from my renovations. There is a lot of stuff that's a cat hair. There's a lot of stuff that shouldn't really be there, and there's a lot of stuff that has been there since possibly 1969 or something. So I feel like it's gonna be a fun project, but also it's a lot of work. It's a lot of stuff that I have to move and throw away, and that's not the part I'm really excited about. But I'm really excited about turning it into a cute vintage workshop that I'm gonna be able to do all of the handiwork in, and hopefully spend some nice moments. I don't know what I'm talking about, but let me show you what it looks like right now. Okay, this is what we are working with. Here are the remains of my renovation. There is a lot of tiles, there is a lot of wood, which I actually think I'm gonna leave as it is because I might need wood. There is IKEA cabinet fronts that I got even though I didn't order them. There is some dubious looking wood underneath, piles of dust. This is an interesting looking little shelf that's kind of high. This possibly might have to go. I'm not sure what to do with it. I don't actually need it here, but it also gives this little room kind of like coziness. And then here is some of the remains from my renovations, mainly stuff. Shelves that are very dusty and a little bit disgusting, but there is some vintage newspapers on them. But basically, it's all very dirty and very old. And while there is a lot of cool stuff in here, like this little iron, there is also stuff like 40-year-old cigarette butts. Is it even possible to clean this? I'm not entirely sure, but the cool thing is there was a workshop here. It belonged to the owner of the flat, and all of these are things and shelves that he actually used on this side as well. And I actually intend to leave them as is because that's pretty cool. There's also those cool little nails that you can use to hang tools. So it has a lot of potential, not gonna lie. And actually the walls don't look that bad. So I don't think they'll need painting, maybe just some dusting, but I have to say it's a bit overwhelming. Okay, we're gonna start with that because I don't want to die. This is the progress. They look dusty, but actually when you wipe the shelf, there's nothing on my fingers, so I just think they're that shade. Let's fill these shelves up. I just did an oopsie. I just spilled paint. Kill me. What the hell do I do?
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no, man. What the?
Bro. Oh my god, you know what? Actually, the dust is helping. Here are some pretty cool findings. I'm speaking with my mask on, so I might sound a little muffled, but here is a Greenpeace label from circa 1970s. I think. Okay, what are those? Steel ball bearings, and it's just a piece of wood. Then we have Eagle brand. Oh, there's number 5 here. And then we have this. The best ball ringer is the best ringer in the world. Everyone guaranteed for family use. Then these you may have seen in my other videos because I found them back then. And this one for glasses. And this cool handle. This is it so far. Now, that's the bit that's worrying me because I don't know if my vacuum will deal with that. Find out that industrial vacuum cleaners are actually cheaper than you thought, and then you get one and then you actually get kind of excited to open it. That's how you know you're getting old. Tell me why I'm actually excited to go down there and vacuum all the dust. I feel like it's gonna be a harrowing work because there's a lot of chunks of little bricks and stones that I don't really think should go inside the vacuum. And it also might just completely break. I actually don't know. But there is so much dust in there that I just want gone. And it's gonna make such a difference. So I hope it will at least be satisfying as long as the vacuum lasts. I need to change. This is a bit exhausting, isn't it? Delivery time! Why did my voice crack? This is not, in fact, a Mattel doll, which is a bit disappointing. So this is one of those tools that you would use to scrape the wood. And even if it doesn't work, or even if I don't know how to use it, I mean, the metal part looks pretty rusty, it still looks pretty cool. I might just use it as decoration. And then this is the tool that you attach to the table, and then you use this part to sort of squeeze the wood in place, and then you can whatever the saw sound is. It's actually oiled up just so this runs smoothly. So I can't actually show you because it needs to be at the edge of the table, but this thing opens, oh, I'm covered in oil. Then this part spreads out, and then you put the piece of wood between. We know I'm big on decoration, right? So apart from the items I just showed you, I'm gonna print out stuff to put up on the walls because we need the vibes. Otherwise, I'm not gonna spend any time in that moist, dusty room. Here is the posters. I'm thinking 1 or 2 should go here, maybe 1 there, and 1 or 2 here. I found some more stuff, which is pretty exciting, even though it's just bits and bobs and I'm not sure what is what. We've got old paint, we've got a piece of chair perhaps, another piece of chair, or maybe a broomstick, a handle. This, we've got an old pencil, another old pencil, a brush, and a nail. Also, check out this ginormous pile of keys. I'm not sure what they were used for, but they look pretty cool. This area needs a working lamp, definitely. What I did not really think through is what's going on the shelves. There's a lot of shelves, and I think they're gonna be filled with obviously equipment and stuff that is needed. But for now, I don't have anything to put on those shelves, and that's okay. You don't need to be 100% with everything all the time, but it's just not it's not giving a workshop for so far. But since I'm actually not a carpenter and I don't know how to do I don't need that stuff for now. I will just use all these shelves for my own stuff that I already own, and one day it's gonna look pretty. Just not now.